Hello to everyone in our Sensient Cosmetic Technologies community and welcome back. This week I want to share with you 3 hand moisturization formulas because, well, let's face it, between hand washing, sanitizing, and cleaning, your hands could probably really use some moisturization. So be sure to follow along, and if you want to try any of these samples for yourself, simply click on the link and we will get these shipped to your door. The very first formula I'd like to share with you is our natural oil gel mask. Now, this is normally applied to your face, so I'm sure you're wondering why you would use this on your hands. Well, if you have dry, patchy skin, you're going to need a high concentration of oil to really counteract that dryness so your skin can begin to heal. One solution would be to rub oil directly on your skin, but if you've done that before, you know it's an incredibly messy experience. So by formulating an oil into a gel, you get all of the benefits of the oil without the messy application. There is a trick to formulating these because normally it is impossible to create a clear, transparent gel with such a high concentration of oils. But with the help of Nat Pure Sol, our natural solubilizer, you can see how beautiful, clear, and bright this formula is. The color itself is coming from our Nat Pure Call range. This is Nat Pure Call Orange, which also features vitamin E as well as sunflower oil. Now when it comes to application, you're just going to take a little bit onto your hand and you're going to massage directly into your skin and rub in gently, and you will immediately notice how moisturized your hands begin to feel. The next formula I'd like to share with you is our Comfort Hand Healer. If you're looking for a moisturizer that's going to leave your skin feeling silky smooth and hydrated, this is your go-to. We started with Hydrofactor HC. This is an active ingredient derived from apples that is going to enhance your skin's barrier function and reduce dryness. We've also added Nat Pure Feel M Eco, and it's going to completely replace any silicone and really give you a luxurious experience. We've also added Sensimead SI 175. This is a silica that's really going to give that nice slip in your lotion to make it apply like silk. So I'm going to apply a little bit to the back of my hand and just rub in, and you can see how smoothly and gently it applies. Just massage into your skin and experience the luxury of this formula. Now your hands may be in need of the next level of care, and if so, you're going to want to reach for our Healing Hand Salve. This formula is made almost entirely from one Sensient ingredient, Nat Pure Feel M Eco. So you're going to see for yourself what an incredible moisturizer it really is. Now when it comes to these hand salves, they tend to be a little bit difficult to pick out of the package, but I want you to see just how easily this comes up. You're going to take a little bit onto your finger like so and massage into your skin, and as your hands rub and create that friction, they're going to begin to warm and melt the formula. And unlike other hand salves you may have used, this formula does not leave behind that sticky residue or greasy feeling that is just not pleasant at all. All you get with this formula are the benefits, the moisturizing, and the healing properties you're really looking for. Thank you everybody for taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions or would like to try these samples for yourself, simply click on the link and let us know. Our team is here for you wherever you are, and we hope you have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.